want to do is just take the next step in this sort of journey. So we're going to spend some time exploring the two forms that we presented last time. So we've got Sufi chanting and we've got some shape note activity for you to get to know a little bit more about.
What we're doing through the process of creating an artwork is also creating a small mini version of the community that is here in the Pendle region. What are the critical conversations that need to be held in this community to strengthen the fabric of the community?
We have artists, we have singers, we have non-singers, we have businessmen, we have people from different backgrounds, everyone coming together. And what's the reason for this? The reason for this is it's a one community project. So what we want at the end of this is 1,000 people to come together at the mill and then sing in different forms, different ways, and it shows that togetherness.
One of the key practices of Sufis in the process of reflection and pondering is chanting. When we first kind of came across this particular initiative, we felt at one with trying to fuse Sufi chanting with other forms of vocal expression.
Allahu, 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 Allahu. Allahu, Allahu, Allahu.
We always make time to attend events like this because we find them very relaxing. Love the social integration, different cultural integration aspect of it as well, and just learning about each other, just trying to slowly but surely erase any misconceptions of different cultures.
We don't speak with his neighbours no more, and this just fetches everybody together and finds them doing great things together. It's brilliant.
Now go to sleep, me little bairn. Hush, love, lie thee still. The mammal come tomorrow night when she comes home from mill.
Really enjoyed it. It wasn't what I expected it to be. There was a real good mixture of music, and I particularly like the chap from Kentucky, and I'm intrigued to see how it's going to fit in with the wider program and the end event as well.
No matter how different our cultures, I found that music is the one thing that allows me to go beyond language and culture and religion and politics and share something, a bridge across two very different places with music.
The notion of shapes actually came in 1801 because all notes look alike. The shapes make it really visually impactful, and it made it so much easier for people to read music.
So fa, la fa la, so fa, la so, so fa, la fa la, so la so.
It doesn't matter what your voice is like because the whole is so much greater than every individual part. The sound of it as a whole is just really rhythmically driving and moving, and it swallows you up in this incredible tidal wave of sonic bliss.
I'm impressed with how well it can integrate communities, how it breaks down any kind of difference and creates a real safe place for people to connect with each other.
I loved it, really different, completely new. I've never been into something like this before, so it was really interesting.
I'd just like to see it grow and see where it goes, and obviously be part of it if it becomes good and say that I was there.
Everybody's out here and they're all talking, communicating and connecting with each other. It's fantastic.
There's been, lots of laughter, there's been questions, some great feedback, some feedback that's making us think, which is what we want. We want people to talk to us about it.
Ooh.